Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 56-inch HRS Strato fan industrial ceiling fan. This is from the early 1980s, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, it's in a brown finish. These do come in white from what I've seen. Not in bad shape. I have another one of these, just like almost similar to this. Got two of these Strato fans. I'll show the other one in the other video, but this video is about this one. Bottom ain't so pretty, but yeah. Give you guys one more last shot of that cool tag. This fan originally had like a 4-foot down rod, and I put I went to Lowe's and bought this brown one, just a foot long. But yeah. Anyway, let's demonstrate this thing. Here's low speed. See if it'll even go on low speed without even stalling out. Oh no, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's just taking its time. Yeah, this fan and another Strato fan came off of Craigslist, out of all places, is where I found these two. And it was an older gentleman that had these for sale, and I got both of these fans for $50, which I think is an absolute steal. Man, this thing is taking its time. But anyway, it was a very nice old gentleman that I bought these from, and he told me a whole like backstory. I was like standing there in his driveway talking to him 30 minutes, you know, just about things, and then, you know, he was telling me of where he got these fans, and I guess they came out of some place in Ohio, like a gas shop, I guess is what he told me, like a propane gas shop somewhere in Ohio that got renovated in the early 90s. So I think that's funny. Early 80s fans, and then they renovated in the early 90s. I just think that's kind of funny. And he had these in his storage for many years. He brought these from Ohio with him up here, and these fans were at like almost an hour north from me. And pretty crazy how these two ended up here. But I guess from what the gentleman told me, they had removed 8 of these, and this guy saved these two, and he managed to save an HRS one, and the other one I'm not going to reveal yet, but you probably might already know what the other one might be. But by the time the video uploads, you'll see what it is. Anyway, I took the fan up to medium low. But yeah, he said these came out, he saved 2 of these, and the rest of them were all thrown out. But I think that's amazing how he saved these, and they, I guess, were sitting in his storage for so many years. He was going to use them in his shop, but he didn't have enough ceiling clearance for them, so that's why he had to part with them. But I am very glad to have found these, because you really don't see these at all. Like, this is a old HRS cast aluminum, I believe is what that motor is. Cast aluminum industrial, you know. Something like this you don't see every day. The gold stripe on this fan, I will say, is starting to see better days. But yeah. It's a nice medium low. It's, you know, still kind of slow. And just like always, I have this fan on the Fastco 4-speed control. non-capacitor based. All right, let's take this up to medium high. It's a very powerful fan, I must say. I understand the hype for these early cast HRS fans. This one obviously isn't labeled HRS, it's labeled Strato fan, but you know, pretty cool either way. It's a nice, like, that's a good, like, medium, I think, right there. Very impressed with how this thing performs. It's very good. The blades, I believe, are made out of aluminum, if anybody's curious. Yeah, let's take this up to high. You're going to see that this thing is an absolute powerhouse. Yeah, this thing flies. Very solid performer. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sucker flies. I do hear a little vibration from it, but I think that's just the lower canopy vibrating. This thing is swaying in its own breeze right now. Let's see, is it moving my tripod at all? Ever so slightly. Let's see, let's do a distance test quickly. Oh yeah, that's like right on with the gold line, pretty much. Let's get a close up now. Yeah, this sucker flies. One of the blades is a little bent, but the reason I haven't bent it back is because it really is not wobbling at all. What a powerful fan. This thing is so powerful. Anyway, let's do spin down, shall we? Yeah, these HRS and these early HRS fans are pretty uncommon, from my understanding. I got this a few years ago, I'm pretty sure. Spin down. Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago I got these for now. I must say, these past few years, I've been getting a lot of good industrials. Had a lot of good ones come my way. But yeah, I think it's crazy how these things came from Ohio originally, and they came all the way up here to where I live. And they never ended up getting used, which is unfortunate, but now I have them, so I don't care. I do have the original down rod for the fan. See? Long boy. Threaded. And I managed to make that 1'1" work on there. anybody noticed, but there's like a lock ring on top. Or yeah, lock ring, and I have it flipped upside down. That's the like best I could do. It's supposed to be the other way around, but again, it's what I could do for this thing. Pretty decent spin down, not too long. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the fan is stopped. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.